Hello friends, thank you for joining me in this course once again. Today in this lecture, I'm going to tell you about what is domain name and how you can register with the domain name or how you can buy a domain name. So let me tell you, in order to get a domain name, first you have to register once with the registrar. Domain registrar is a company which these web domains. So the company from which you buy a domain name or you register your domain, that is called your domain registrar. So you just go to the domain registrar website and search for available domain name here, and then you can find a domain name for your website. So in this lesson, we will go and search domain name. There are many domain names registrars out there. You can go with anyone. There are a lot of website, a lot of domain registrar. Whatever you like, whichever you want to go, you can go with that one. But my favorite is GoDaddy. So let's go and find domain name. Let me type here. There you can see GoDaddy and click on their website. Now you can see we are on GoDaddy website. So let me tell you. So here I am. Once you are here, you can type your favorite domain name in this search bar. If it's available, you can get that, or otherwise, it will let you know. Let's suppose I want to check this. Let's suppose fitness training. So search for it, and here you can see fitnesstraining.com is taken. This .com, this .co, .org, these are extensions basically, but if you want your website in .com extension, so you can see it's not available, it's already taken. But if you want .co or .org or .info, .shop, .fitness, there you can see these are available. But with the .com extension, it's not available, it's already been taken. But if you, let's suppose, add something with it, with this, let's suppose I add my city name. I live in Rawalpindi. So let's suppose I add my city name here and search. There you can see rawalpindifitnesstraining.com is available. That means I can use this domain name if I want to create my website about fitness or about my gym career. I can use this website. So it's up to you. So let's suppose my channel name is JS Series, and I wanna build my website with the same name. So I'll search here JS Series. So let's check. There you can see jsseries.com is available. So it's my choice. I can buy with the .com extension as well, with the .info as well. Now you can see there is a difference. .com extension is a very powerful extension. Its price is almost, you can see 760 rupees in Pakistani rupees. And with .info it's 469, and .me it's 439. I mean, with different extension it have different prices there. So whatever you want to go with, you can go, but I would like to go with .com extension because it's a very powerful extension. So once if I want to keep this one, so I'll click on this and I'll add this to cart. So now you can see it's added to cart. Now go on continue to cart. So guys, after you come to know that your domain is available, you can buy this from here by clicking add to cart as I told you. Then go in a cart here. It will show like this one. You can see this page. So once you click on a card, before you check out, GoDaddy will offer you other products as well, like this. You can see privacy protection, ultimate protection and security, or no thanks. You can say this, or Linux web hosting, or create an email address that match your domain. Like you can see this u@jsseries.com .co, sorry. So you may consider go for privacy. I'll recommend if you don't want to share your name, or if you don't want to share your contact information or any other personal information other than website. So you can go for privacy protection, but you don't need to go for web hosting or this ultimate protection security or this Linux web hosting. You don't need to go for these ones because um, there are a lot of better options out there. You can, if you want to buy your hosting or anything else, there are a lot of much better option than that. But if you want to buy your domain name, for that, GoDaddy is the best option. But for hosting, I will recommend do not buy hosting from this website. So for now, just select on this privacy protection and click on continue to cart. Now by default, let me tell you, if you are then you can see here it's 15,155, and there, let me tell you one more thing. If you're gonna keep this website, I mean, let me tell you, if you think you're gonna keep this for a long time, I mean, you wanna create this website and you wanna keep this for a very long time, then you can buy this for from here as many years you can. But if you are just a tester, I mean, if you just want to test it, if you want this just for only test domain, then you can buy this only for 1 year. There you can see, I mean, you can buy for this for 1 year as well, for 2 year as well, for 3 year, for 5 year as well. Let me tell you, if I select this for 5 year, uh, 1 second, 17% off. Now you can see its price is 26,192. But if I say I want this for 1 year, like I wanna check first, or I wanna test this domain first. So I'll click on 1 year or jsseries.com domain registration. There you can see cart price now it's 7,472. So one more thing I want to tell you, if you already have your account there, you can go with that one. But if you don't have your account, I mean, there are some options. If you already have an account on GoDaddy, then sign in. Then click on this sign in button and paste your details here, and you can go for a card and you can pay for your website. But if you are a new customer here, then you have to create account first, and then you can pay for your product, like for your domain name. So you have to put your email there and then username, and then you can select your password. You can see there uh, be at least 9 characters. So once you register with this account, you can log in here, and then you can click on, then you will see here a pay button. Then you can click on that, and in this you can pay with credit card as well. You can pay with debit card as well, with Visa card, or you can pay with PayPal as well. So then you are done. So this is now how you buy your domain name. I'll see you in next lecture. Still, if you got any question, so you can contact me anytime. I'll try my best to get back to you.